Welcome to Tech and Business. The tech industry is experiencing unprecedented growth, with companies worldwide desperately seeking talented tech professionals. What's even more fascinating is that nearly 40% of developers in top tech companies don't have traditional computer science degrees. Meet Sarah Chen, a former retail manager who transformed her career into a successful software developer at a leading tech company. Like many others, Sarah proved that breaking into tech doesn't require a 4-year degree, just dedication, strategic planning, and the right resources. Did you know that entry-level tech positions often offer salaries 50% higher than traditional career paths? While many believe a computer science degree is the only gateway to tech success, the industry has evolved to value skills and practical experience over formal education. The tech industry has become a driving force behind innovation and economic growth, with new trends emerging daily. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to cybersecurity and cloud computing, the demand for skilled tech professionals continues to rise. The job market for tech professionals is thriving, with key drivers being the increasing need for digital transformation and the growth of the internet. As a result, the demand for software developers, data scientists, and IT managers is projected to grow exponentially in the coming years. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment of software developers is expected to rise 21% from 2020 to 2030, much faster than the average for all occupations. Similarly, the demand for data scientists is expected to grow 14% from 2020 to 2030. The first step in your tech journey is choosing the right path. Today's most in-demand tech roles include software development, data analysis, UX/UI design, cloud computing, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, ML, DevOps, IT project management. Consider the following factors when choosing your tech role. Your interests. What areas of technology fascinate you the most? Your skills. Which skills do you have or want to develop? Job prospects. Which tech roles have the best job prospects in your area? Before diving in, evaluate your current skill set. Are you detail-oriented, creative, analytical? These traits can guide you toward the perfect tech role. Your previous experience, whether in customer service, project management, or creative fields, likely contains valuable transferable skills. To increase your chances of success, consider the following. Get familiar with tech terminology. Use online resources to learn the basics of coding, data structures, and software development. Build a strong work ethic. Develop a routine and stick to it, ensuring you stay on top of assignments and projects. The digital age offers countless learning opportunities. Coursera provides university-level courses, while Udemy offers practical, skill-focused training. For those starting with programming, FreeCodeCamp offers comprehensive free curricula. Coding boot camps present an intensive, structured learning path. While more expensive than self-study, they often provide career support and networking opportunities. Notable boot camps include General Assembly, Flatiron School, and Tech Elevator. Your portfolio is your proof of competence. Start with small projects that demonstrate fundamental skills, then progress to more complex applications. Consider building a personal website, a mobile application, an e-commerce platform, data visualization projects, chatbots, wearable technology apps. Contributing to open source projects on GitHub shows collaboration skills and real-world coding experience. Now we'll discuss networking strategies. Build your presence on LinkedIn by sharing your learning journey and connecting with industry professionals. Join tech communities on platforms like Discord and Slack. Attend local tech meetups and virtual conferences to expand your network. Craft a resume that emphasizes projects, technical skills, and measurable achievements. Prepare for technical interviews by practicing on platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank. If we talk about alternative paths, consider starting with internships at tech startups or participating in apprenticeship programs offered by companies like Google, Microsoft, or IBM. Freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can provide initial client experience. Know here are additional tips for landing your first tech job. Assuming you've ticked all the boxes, here are a few more tips to boost your chances of landing your dream tech job. Create a strong personal brand. Develop a professional online presence by creating a personal website or blog. Showcase your skills. Build a list of your technical skills and qualifications to share with potential employers. Network effectively. Attend industry events, conferences, and meetups to make valuable connections. Stay up to date with industry news. Stay informed about the latest tech trends and breakthroughs. A tech company that aligns with your values and passions is key to your long-term success. Consider the following when searching for a tech company. Company culture. What are the company's core values, norms, and behavior patterns? Mission and vision. What drives the company's purpose and motivation? Product or service offering. What does the company produce or offer, and how does it align with your interests? Talent pipeline. How does the company encourage growth, training, and professional development? Both startups and large corporations offer unique opportunities for growth and development. Startups typically offer more flexibility and autonomy, while large corporations often provide a more structured environment with established processes. Once you secure your first tech job, here are a few pointers to ensure you thrive in your new role. Develop a growth mindset. Acknowledge that you still have much to learn and are open to feedback and mentoring. Emphasize collaboration. Foster strong relationships with your colleagues and participate in team-building activities. Communicate effectively. Keep your manager and colleagues informed about your progress and challenges. Continuously learn. Stay up to date with industry developments, trends, and technologies to expand your skill set. As you enter the tech industry, keep in mind that innovation is continuous. To thrive in this fast-paced environment, stay curious. Maintain a fascination with emerging technologies and trends. Embrace failure. View failures and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. Pursue professional development. Engage in courses, workshops, and conferences to enhance your skills and knowledge. Build a community. Foster relationships with fellow tech professionals, mentors, and peers. The path to a tech career without a degree is clear. 1. Choose your focus area. 2. Build fundamental skills. 3. Create a strong portfolio. 4. Network actively. 5. Apply strategically. 6. Find the right tech company. 7. Thrive in your new role. Your tech journey starts today. Remember, the tech industry needs problem solvers and innovators, degree or no degree. Drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more career guidance. Subscribe and hit the like